The position is for Máximo Robert.
In second position, 100% discount for next year. We have, give me some drums please, Pablo Tempo!
The winner is Alex Perez!
In this campus you get a wonderful experience since you meet many new people, make new friends, learn a lot of English and live an incredible experience.
It's very funny because all the people in this campus go for you and ask for you that we have to do all the time, and I like a lot because it's very funny, the campus.
Come and tell me when it's time to. Sweetheart is bleeding in the snow.
My best remembers are when we are in the playground, we play with my friends and we play football. It's very funny that moment.
I'll get you into penetration, the gender of a generation, the birth of every.
I live a lot of experience and I very nervous when he says my name, and I'm very happy for win this award.
When I listen my name, I like in shock because all the friends in my group is like, oh Pablo, and it's like you are in shock, okay? And it's my 7th year, and the next year I'm very happy because I have to repeat this experience.
The first day I'm alone because I don't know anyone, but the second day I know all and I have friends and I try my best to win the beca. The monitors, assistants and coaches do the best to this gala, and I say thank you to the coaches because they help me and I learn a lot, and it's a spectacular gala. When they say my name, I don't care because I think I don't win the beca, but I get this and I'm very happy, but I don't care it, so I try my best in Sunderland.
This life is more than ordinary. Can I get you maybe even 3 of these? Coming from a space to teach you of the Pleiades. Can't stop the spirit.
Hello my friends in Prague and Segorbe. I will see you in Sunderland.